Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to install LED lights for the reverse for the 2020 GX460. I believe this is it right here. Now I've seen a video, but it's on a 2019 GX460, and the guy took it off from the top here and then managed to work his way down. But from what I saw down here, it's actually easier access from the bottom, so I'll show you right now. So I've already took this piece off right here, and as you can see from here, whenever it wants to focus, this right here is just the light socket that you want to get to. And looking from the other videos, you would not be able to get it from above if you take the tail light off. There's no way. You have to reach all the way down and twist your arm in here just to twist this out. So I'll show you this piece right here. So this piece actually was on here like this. So there's 5 bolts, one there. Where is it at? One there, one in there, one there at the end where the mud flaps are, and another one where the mud flaps are right here too. But the problem with this last piece right here, this one, there is this piece that sticks up. You're gonna have to pull really hard just to lift that up off. And then once you get that piece off, there's this piece right here that has a clip, and all you have to do is just yank on it. It will just come down. It's just some kind of clip. That's all it is. Look at it, and that's it. So once you do that, the other thing is this is under the exhaust pipe. So I've already put the LED in there, so I'll show you. Twist, comes out. Bam, voila, there it is, back in. Alright, why am I having a hard time? Which way am I going? Oh. Alright, let me switch hand here. Okay. And there we go. Alright, one down, and the other side is pretty much the same. Yeah, they're pretty much the same. Whenever it wants to focus, there we go. It's pretty much the same. You just have to take it off. It's got this exact same cover, except that it's not near this exhaust, so that side should be easier. Okay, so now we're on the other side, driver's side. All right. Okay. And here's what I was talking about. There's 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3, 4, and 1 inside here. 5. All right. So now, let's see here. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's put it out to the side. Now this one right here has this piece where I was talking about earlier. You wanna try to pry that off. Little plastic piece, but we'll do that after we get this one out. extension. If I can see it. Alright. Okay. So there. You just push the mud flap to the side. Once you get this part here lifted, I mean, it should just come up. There we go. All right, just everything slides out. And here's a little clip thing on the. All you have to do is just yank that out. You don't have to, but it makes working easier. All right, there's that piece. There's that. And here's what we're after. Okay. All right. Off you go. Spider webs. And these are what I bought. They're from Amazon. About like $13. Yep. And this is what they look like. All right. All right, let's see if I can manage to do this with one hand. Got it. It's not in. There we go. Heard it's clipped, snapped in. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. Alright, I got it. Oh, no I don't. Okay, now I got it. Alright, there we go. And putting it back on is just vice versa. Alright. I hope this video helps you guys out. Thank you for watching. There'll be more videos like this in the future. Thank you. Bye for now.